The Glo-Djigbe Industrial Zone GDIZ is a public-private partnership between the Republic of Benin and Arise IIP. GDIZ is being developed across 1640 hectare. It is located 45 kilometers from Côte-Newport, and more than 40 industries has been set up since 2023 for a wide range of processing and manufacturing activities. Welcome to Glo-Djigbe Industrial Zone GDIZ, the partnership for the industrialization of Benin. The Glo-Djigbe Industrial Zone GDIZ is an integrated industrial ecosystem offering solutions along the entire value chain for multiple industries. GDIZ investment sectors are many in this area, like textile, afro-processing, water recycling, constructional materials, pharmaceutical, cashew, shea, cassava production, cotton, pineapple, and soybean production. Benin offers a lucrative investment opportunity driven by the region's rich agricultural resources and strategic advantages. Soybean Processing Factory. GDIZ, Benin Organics launched its soybean processing activities, indeed, specializing in the processing of soybeans. It will produce crude soybean oil, degum soybean oil, d'oiled meal, and lecithin, the quality of which will be certified by laboratories meeting international standards. Cashew Factory at GDIZ. The quality of the cashew produced makes Benin one of the 3 best in the world. The government has put in place the necessary tools for the development of the sector to increase the annual production of Benin to guarantee the availability of cashew nuts. The industrial zone is having many roundabouts which are beautifully decorated. Each roundabout is different and unique. ATMS Africa Textile Management Services is a management and technical consulting firm focused to provide strategic advice and implementation assistance to the textile industry globally, with a special emphasis on the African region. BTEX, the first integrated textile unit of the GDIZ operational, has started its towel and yarn manufacturing activities. The current experimental phase reassures of the quality of the products made from cotton 100% produced in Benin. GDIZ Textile Park is a vertically integrated industrial zone encompassing right from spinning to garmenting. Learn more about GDIZ Textile Park here. Glo-Djigbe Industrial Zone GDIZ Textile Park is an ambitious, state-of-the-art textile park with quality, productivity, and eco-friendly systems generating low-carbon footprints. It is where your vision of business growth will be supported by various important factors such as location, connectivity to roadways, seaport, airport, proximity to the local, US and EU market, and readily available sustainable cotton. GDIZ Infrastructure Facilities. GDIZ infrastructure provide many facilities like industrial zone, commercial zone, residential zone, container yard, track terminal, warehouse, fire and police station, medical center water tanks, and many more. GDIZ's ambition is to maximize the local transformation of the raw agro commodities and also balancing the huge trade deficit in the national economy of Benin, besides creating enormous social benefits to the people of Benin by creating hundreds of direct and indirect job opportunities. These efforts not only enhances product quality, but also uplifts the community by generating employment opportunities, contributing to foreign income, and strengthening Benin's economy. Thank you, follow, like, share, and subscribe.